Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a car so audacious it could make a Hollywood starlet blush and a boardroom full of financiers spit out their coffee simultaneously. What if I told you there's a car so beautiful it won a concours, then went to war? A car designed by the French for presidents, driven by generals, and saved by a US soldier for the price of a cheap lawnmower. Yeah, this isn't a movie. This is the real story of the 1938 Graham 97 Supercharged Cabriolet by Saoutchik, an Art Deco jewel that literally dodged bullets and bad taste. Before we dive into the transatlantic glamour and mechanical marvels, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're explaining to friends why you know everything about a French-bodied American supercharged six-cylinder from the late 1930s. The tale starts in 1938, when the struggling Graham Company rolled out the Model 97 with its spirit of motion design. The goal was audacious, to present a sleek, avant-garde automobile that could turn heads and capture imaginations. While American buyers found the look too aggressive, some even called it ugly, Europeans swooned. Jacques Saoutchik, a leading French coach builder famous for flamboyant one-off creations, spotted potential in the Sharknose chassis. He acquired at least two Graham 97 chassis equipped with the supercharged straight-six engines and sculpted bespoke cabriolet bodies on them. These cars combined American power with French elegance, targeting the wealthy European elite who wanted unique, museum-worthy automobiles. The debut at the 1938 Paris Motor Salon cemented the car's reputation. One Graham, finished in a two-tone palette, featured groundbreaking parallel-opening cantilever doors and a folding windscreen. Pierre Saoutchik, Jacques' son, even presented the car to French President Albert Lebrun, highlighting the model's prestige. The cabriolet dazzled audiences with its daring styling, earning accolades like the Prix d'Avant-Garde at the Concours de l'Auto. Yet the looming war would soon put this elegance to the test. Owner Maurice Reb took his Graham into military service in North Africa, where wartime fuel shortages led to the installation of a coal gasifier, transforming the cabriolet into a battle-ready, if smoky, staff car for General Alphonse Juin. By late 1942, the French army had replaced its supercharged engine with a standard military unit, yet the car survived the turmoil. In 1944, the Graham found its way back to American hands when Thomas Demetri, a Chrysler employee and GI, purchased it for an astonishing $175. The car's wartime adventures were matched only by its post-war journey through Michigan, changing hands among collectors until William Harrah, the famed casino magnate and enthusiast, added it to his collection in 1966. Harrah's team meticulously documented the car's provenance, confirming its historical importance. When Harrah's collection was dispersed in 1981, the Graham changed hands again, eventually ending up partially disassembled in a restoration project. Rediscovered in 2013, it underwent a comprehensive restoration in Ontario, Canada, and made a triumphant return at the 2015 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, adorned in a stunning white and pale green livery. Its cantilever doors wowed audiences, earning second in class at Pebble Beach and later best of show at the Cobble Beach Concours in Canada. Today, only two Saoutchik-bodied Grahams exist, and this American exemplar remains a pinnacle of pre-war coach-building artistry. Beneath the extravagant French body lies the heart of American ingenuity, the Graham 97 Supercharged chassis. Powered by a 217.8 cubic inch, 3.6 liters, L-head straight-six fitted with a centrifugal supercharger, it produced a remarkable 116 brake horsepower at 4,000 revolutions per minute. This output rivaled larger eight-cylinder engines of the time, giving the lightweight cabriolet a top speed of around 90 miles per hour and 0 to 50 miles per hour, acceleration in 10.9 seconds, commendable figures in the late 1930s. Power flowed to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission, with an optional vacuumatic assisted shifting system offered to ease gear changes. The rear axle employed a 4.271 final drive ratio, prioritizing acceleration over high-speed cruising. The chassis, though conventional, was robust, a 120-inch, 3,048 mm wheelbase supported by a rigid X-braced steel frame. Front suspension utilized a solid I-beam axle with semi-elliptic leaf springs, hydraulic shock and a sway bar, while the rear featured a live axle on leaf springs. Hydraulic drum brakes on all four corners, paired with 11-inch drums, ensured dependable stopping power. The Cabriolet rode on wide 6.5s or 16 white-wall tires fitted to steel artillery wheels, adorned by elegant Saoutchik chrome covers. The car's dimensions reflected its grand touring intentions, measuring approximately 197 inches, 5 meters long and 70 inches, 1.78 meters wide. The Cabriolet featured a long prow, compact cabin, and integrated trunk. Weighing roughly 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms, the custom body balanced elegance and performance. The folding windshield allowed a nearly unobstructed view when lowered, while the three-position Cabriolet roof offered full open or sedanca modes. Even the modest dorsal rear fin foreshadowed the tail fin craze of the 1950s, enhancing aerodynamics and visual drama. Chrome embellishments adorned the grille, headlamps and body, making the car a showcase of Art Deco finesse. Where the Graham truly astounded was in its coach-built features. The cantilevered doors, hinged at the rear with a complex linkage, swung outward and backward over the rear fenders. This allowed wide openings without running boards, a spectacle that remains jaw-dropping today. The folding windshield, three-position top, and integrated fender skirts further distinguished the car from conventional American designs, blending mechanical ingenuity with visual poetry. In essence, the 938 Graham 97 Supercharged Cabriolet by Saoutchik married performance and luxury, engineering and artistry, American audacity and French sophistication. The 1938 Graham 97 Supercharged Cabriolet by Saoutchik is more than a rare vehicle. It's a transatlantic dialogue in steel, chrome, and lacquer. Its engineering combined a supercharged straight-six engine producing 116 brake horsepower, hydraulic brakes, and innovative suspension with the most elegant coachwork of its era. It survived war, neglect, and time to shine on modern concours lawns, reaffirming the timelessness of thoughtful design. With only 2 examples known to exist today, it's an icon that demonstrates how bold, thoughtful design and mechanical innovation can create an object that transcends function to become art. The value finally revealed reflects both its rarity and historical importance. While originally priced around $1,200, for the chassis alone, the restored Cabriolet fetched $770,000 at RM Sotheby's Amelia Island auction in 2017. From modest beginnings to modern-day masterpiece status, it tells a story not just of a car, but of human creativity, ambition, and the enduring love for automotive elegance. Owning such a vehicle is akin to holding a piece of history, art, and engineering simultaneously, a triumvirate rarely seen outside of museums. And for our devoted viewers, consider this your official reminder. Subscribe, support, and yes, even if you can't afford a Graham Cabriolet, at least enjoy the spectacle. May your cars run smoothly, your roads be free of potholes, and your neighbors, well, may they be just slightly less annoying than usual.